guys, this is Jackie coming back with another video. Flip your men's shirt inside out and use a tailor's chalk or a pencil to mark your points. Pinch the middle of the square and put pins to secure its place and sew on that line. Make the inside dart flat by spreading the fabric evenly on each side. Lift the shirt, sew on the front or right side of the fabric, mark 4 inches by half an inch rectangle and sew it. Mark 13 inches from the sleeve opening and then cut it. Using your seam ripper, carefully remove the cuff. Set aside the cuff because we'll need it again later. Open the sleeve by cutting on the seam and make sure you save all the extra fabric because we'll need most of the fabric later. Cut 6 strips of 1 1/4 wide that we will use for the back ribbon. You will be needing 2 ribbons on the back side, so join 3 strips on 1 ribbon. You can use a loop turner, or if you don't have one, use a safety pin to loop turn the ribbon. Next, cut 2 strips of 7 by 2 inches wide. Fold the strips so you will hide all the rough edges inside and iron it. Mark 5 inches down from the armhole on the back on each side, and that's where we're gonna put the 2 strips. Using a safety pin, push the ribbon inside and use a pin to secure its place. And we will sew on the edge and make sure to sew on the ribbon as well. So far, this is how it looks like, and if you like this already, just finish the sleeve edge by finishing the hem. For the sleeve, cut the top part on each side. Fold the rough edges twice and use pins to secure its place. When you're done sewing that, using the widest stitch, sew a straight stitch 1/4 to 1/2 inch from the sleeve hem. Backstitch in the start, but don't backstitch on the end. Separate 2 threads and pull 1 thread to gather the fabric. Get the cuff and tuck the sleeve hem inside it. Use pins to secure its place. Using your extra fabrics, cut the 1 1/4 wide strips. Join 2 strips and you should have 8 strips of at least 13-inch long ribbons. Using a safety pin, turn the loop so you will hide all the rough edges inside. You should have 4 ribbons and then iron it. To hide the rough edges on the end of the ribbon, just use anything to poke the rough edges inside the ribbon. To find the center of your sleeve, fold it in half. Place 1 ribbon and then secure it with a pin. Do it on the other parts of the sleeves as well. Watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.